Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I'm going to lead you how to use Docker and Airflow to build the automated data pipelines. I'm very sorry that I didn't update in the last week. I was distracted by interviews and I had to invest most of my time on them. Sorry about that. So let's jump back our work today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Docker or docker-compose to run a web application, Streamlit. Let's get started. Firstly, what's Streamlit? Streamlit is a Python library which can visualize data in a web page. It only needs several elements. The first one is data, and the second one is a Python script which read the data and design what kind of web page you would like to have. And the third point is a port which to access the service. For the port, you can find the port number in Wiki. It's just like a channel. Different channel has different service. For Streamlit, the number is 8501. We already know this, and then jump back in our code spaces. For the first file, I will prepare a CSV file, which is very simple. It's still my career journey. Different year, my career title is different. And for the second file, we will need a Streamlit app script. For the Streamlit app, you will need two libraries. The first one, of course, is Streamlit SST, and another one is Panda. The Panda is to read data. So, firstly, you can define the data file path, which is the data.csv, and I will use Panda to read the CSV file, which is data file path, and then which is the app. For the app, you can define the title, which is Streamlit app, and you can decide what kind of information you would like to show. Here I will show a subtitle for me, which is journey, and then I will read a data frame, which is this data frame, and I will give it a width and height to make sure it can spread fully in the page. So after preparing this, let me build it. Give it a name, my Streamlit app. Okay, so currently we have our images, and then sorry, I haven't deleted my practice. Let's see, do we have a container? No, not yet. So I will run it. Use the detached mode, and then please map the containers port to the server, to your host port. Otherwise, it can't be accessed. and Streamlit app latest. The name is my Streamlit app, and say do we have it. So it do you feel like it's like you build a website? It's very cool, right? Currently, we have successfully built a simple image including Streamlit, pandas, even the Streamlit Python script and the data. Actually, it has a very obvious issue, which is if you would like to add data or change the design of the web page, you have to rebuild the image. So I'm going to introduce you a very important concept in Docker, which is volume. It helps container to access the data in the host system. So this is the documentation talking about the volume. You can create a Docker area in your host's file system and build the connection between container and this area, and so the container can read the data in this area. Let's jump back our code space. So firstly, currently we have 4 files, right? I will divide these files into 2 categories. The first category is the changeable files, which is data and Streamlit app. And the second category is our image, which is purely the libraries. Before we build our new image, let's do some adjustments. Firstly, we only need the requirements file. We only need to copy the requirements file for our libraries into the app. And then we need to adjust the path for the app, which is the include folder. For the data file, we also need to add the include path. You will see later we are going to create this folder for the volume. So jump into our Streamlit app where we have the Docker file. So we are going to build it with a clean Streamlit because we want to involve the data inside in this directory. And let me give you some space. So currently we have Docker images, which is clean Streamlit, and then we are going to run it. To run it, we still need to map the host port to the container port for access, and then we need to define the volume, which is the host file system where we define a folder for container to access to go to the include folder and then runs our new image. So we are going to open it. The benefits of it is that if you change the app, like okay, I wanna use the application rather than the app, and then the web page will change. And if you wanna change data, it also works well. Like I still wanna become a data engineer next year, the data engineer, and then refresh the web page, and you will find the 2025. Okay, we already built our very clean image where the data and the Python script can be changed. But I don't want to write a so long command every time, and I also wanted to document it. So here let me introduce the docker-compose YAML file. The docker-compose YAML can define this setting in the runtime. It can give the service more setting. It can define one service. It can also define more. So I'm going to create the docker-compose YAML file. See what we can define. I will give the project a name, which is demo, and then the services. We only have one service currently. We will use Streamlit app, and then we are going to build it because we don't. It can build. It can connect. It can detect the Docker files in each folder and then build the image. So the Docker file the name is Docker file, and I will also define the port here, which is the left port is the belong to host. The right port number is belong to our container. And also I will also define the volumes here. Give it give the name of that folder, and then so currently let me stop this container. So I will stop the heuristic channel. I didn't define it today, so I will remove it. Heuristic channel, and go back our demo folder, and I will build it with a docker-compose and with the detached mode to let the container running on the background. So it open again because it has stopped, so it will have no connection. Delete them. And you will see we don't need to use docker run. We can easily run the container quickly. The container name is demo Streamlit app1. In today's video, we have built 3 images. For the first one, we built a very heavy image, including data. For the second one, we divided the data and the application into the volume where we can change the data quickly. And for the third image, we tried the docker-compose to set all of this thing just in a very simple YAML file. So currently you already have some taste about how to use Docker or docker-compose to build your own image, right? And I'm thinking like it's just a very first step for this journey. We can still add more containers in the docker-compose YAML file, like you can add a database where you can store and generate data. And and you can also add an orchestrator to schedule the data pipeline, etc. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.